And there we go. Okay. Back into filming now. Oh. I think I need to change something first. There we go.
Sorted?
Yep.
Right.
All sorted. Now, where's my ticket?
There's your ticket.
Thank you. Now, just find me first. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Platform 3 we need to go at. Platform 3. Here's the ticket. I think I know where platform 3 is. No, it's this way. It's this one. But it's this one. We've got a few minutes before I think that train comes, of course. So I think this is a good idea for me to do some walking, okay? Do you mind if I have a look around the station? I know exactly where you are, of course. Platform 3. Okay. Yep.
Stay here.
Yep. Yes, please. Thank you. Okay. Right, I won't be long. So, guys, we made it to our tickets, and now we're at the whole station bit. This station has been a great terminus for me, but there are some stations I like a bit more. But I can tell what we got here. We got ourselves a class 155. A class 185, and of course you know this one, don't you? This is a class 802. As you probably know from one of his videos, they're from the new trains, and of course they are electric, and I can show you over here. Right, let me extend you up a bit so you can take a closer look. Can you see now? Wait, just a minute. Let me take my glove off because it's a winter day. Tell that this train in particular is probably from the London Overseas Railway. As you can see, this is a TransPennine version of it. There's also Hull trains too, but there's none to be here yet. Still, let's take a look at the departures. And you could probably see that the one at the top is us, York, at 11 at quarter to 12. Oh, sorry about this. And so, I hope to see you and I'll upload the next video, okay? So, I'll see you when I come to York.